guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Rochelle and I do budgeting videos here on YouTube. So today we're gonna be stuffing my side hustle income. Yep, you heard that right. Your girl got a side hustle. So if you guys don't know, I've mentioned it here that I am a nurse. I am a surgical trauma nurse. So where I work is very fast paced and very stressful environment. So of course, if I do get overtime, I will pick up from my job. But other than that, if I'm just at home and I want to go out and make some money, this is what I've been doing. So what that is Instacart and Shipped. But for this time, I've only been doing Shipped. I've only been doing Instacart. I haven't done any shipped orders just yet. So anyways, enough with the rambling. Today we're going to be stuffing $450. And so let's go ahead and get started. So I do want to mention that $450 is going to be after tax. I did get paid more than that, but I did remove 30% for tax. So I'm left with $450. So what we are first going to do is stuff some gas money. So obviously we need some gas money in order to be able to deliver some groceries. And I know that I could go and get like a per diem job somewhere else, but like I've said, my job is already stressful enough, and so I just wanted to do something on the side. And I wanted to also be able to pick my own time, so that's why I'm doing this. So yeah, usually I just do this when after like I drop off my daughter to school, then I'll go deliver some orders until she's ready to come out of school. So that's what I've been doing. So anyways, for gas, we are gonna be stuffing $30. So a 20 and a 10. So now gas, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150. And also, if you guys are new here, I do not spend any of the money that I stuff in my envelopes until the end of the month. So what I do is I use credit cards. Yes, I do use my credit cards, but at the end of the month, I pay everything back in full with the amounts that I have in my envelopes. So if you guys want to know how I do that, you guys can go ahead and watch one of my closeout videos, and you guys can see what I do there. Otherwise, I can make like a separate video showing like how I track my expenses and stuff, and how I'm paying it off at the end of the month. So this binder, we're actually not gonna stuff. This binder has my sinking funds that have a deadline. Like, so these are date sensitive, so I'm not stuffing those. I am gonna be stuffing my sinking funds that do not have a deadline. So the ones with the deadline I stuff with my regular paycheck, just because those are for sure I'm gonna be able to stuff. This side hustle money, like, you know, every week or every other week, I don't know how much I'm gonna get, so I'd rather just stuff the sinking funds that don't have deadlines. And also, you guys, this is for 2 weeks of pay. So I get paid bi-weekly for my regular job, and so I decided to do bi-weekly cash stuffing for this side income, so that I'm able to do a cash stuffing video every Friday. So every other Friday it will be my job income, and then every other Friday it will be my side hustle income. So anyways, let's get into this binder. So car maintenance is getting $50. So we'll just take a whole 50. So car maintenance now has 500, 6, 7, 800, 850, 870, 875, 880, 881. And this 500 placeholder represents $500 $500 that is in my bank account. So that's done. Clothing is also getting $50. So we'll do a whole 50 as well. And clothing now has 100, 150, 170, 175, 180, 181, 182. Next is gifts, and gifts is getting $5, which I don't have, but so I'm gonna have to make change. So we are just gonna take a 10 and then give back 5. So now we have a total of 150 in gift cards. 160, 170, 175. Health is getting $50. So we have 100, 150, 170, 175, 176 in health. Holidays is getting 5. And we have 10 currently. I'm also just going to take a 10 and give back 5. So now we have 15 in holidays. And this envelope is for any holidays that I have to buy something for. Like, for example, I always say for like Halloween costumes or Easter baskets, things like that. Sorry if you guys hear my daughter in the background. She is singing in the living room. And I have the door open, so that's why you can hear her. Nurse things is getting $10. So a 10. So now we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. So 136. Tech is getting $5. And we'll just do a 5. So now we have 25, 30. And like I said, this envelope is not a priority. I don't change my phone until every 2 or 3 years. And so I have the iPhone 11 right now. So I won't be changing my phone for another 2 years or so. So this is definitely not a priority. Travel is getting $100. So travel now has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 400. So 2,400. Janae is my daughter's envelope, and she is getting $50. So now she has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 485. So $2,485 for Janae. My envelope is getting a 50 as well. So 50. So now I have 1,000, 1, 2, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520. So 1,520 for me. And then home is not getting anything. Emergency fund is at 1,000 right now, so it's not getting anything. And any money that I have left over is going into my debt avalanche. So I've mentioned in my previous videos that my goal is to pay for my private student loans, pay that off. So I already pay off extra each month. And so while we are waiting to see if we can have some student loans forgiven, whatever extra money I have is going in this envelope. And at the end of the year, if it's not forgiven, then I'll use this money to make a lump payment. So I already currently pay $1,000 a month. I'm supposed to pay $779, but I bumped it up to $1,000, so I am already paying extra each month. And so this will be just at the end of the year. If it's, like I said, if student loans are not forgiven, then I'll use this money as a lump sum. So we have 40 and a 5. Also, I want to mention that if I do end up like being short in somewhere, I may come into this envelope as well instead of touching my savings envelopes. So anyways, for the avalanche, we now have 1, 2, 300, 350, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 540, 545, 550, 551, 552. So 552 in that avalanche. I just remembered that I did have this envelope for cash tips. So some of my customers have given me a tip on the app, plus as well as they've handed me this money after I delivered their groceries. So for this last 2 weeks, I was able to get $10 in cash tips. So this $10 is just going to go into my envelope. So we're just going to go back in here and put it with my money. So now I have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 525, 530. So 1,530 for me. Woohoo! So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think, and if you guys have any questions. So you guys, I will see you guys next Friday for my regular cash stuffing for my regular job, for my nursing job. Anyways, that is it, and stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.